Everyone thinks the best-selling lawn aerator is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Walency Lawn Aerator. The Walency Lawn Aerator caught my attention right away with its solid build and affordable price of $29.98. With over 5,000 units sold just last month and a 4.2-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it's hard to ignore. If you want an effective way to rejuvenate your lawn, this is worth a serious look. What that means for you is a better airflow, allowing water and nutrients to reach your grass roots more easily. It's practical for small lawns and spot aeration, making it an ideal choice if you're looking to maintain your yard without overcomplicating things. Plus, the ergonomic design helps you avoid the hassle of spiked shoes that can be uncomfortable or tricky to use. Now, some people complain that it can be a bit labor-intensive, especially for larger areas. Here's the thing though, if you're only dealing with a small lawn or specific problem spots, this isn't a deal-breaker. It's a straightforward, reliable tool that gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard needing regular maintenance. Skip this one if you have a large yard or heavily compacted soil. Given its price point, it offers solid value for what it delivers. Now, if the manual labor aspect of the Walency bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AgriFab Tow Behind Aerator. Next up is the AgriFab 45299, a 48-inch tow-behind lawn aerator priced at $279.99. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 2,400 reviews, it's a popular choice for those who want to save time. If you're looking for efficiency and ease, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Deeper plugs mean better aeration, leading to a thicker and healthier lawn. It's designed to be pulled behind tractors, so if you have a larger yard, this is a game changer. The flat-free tires mean you won't end up with flats during your lawn care routine, making your work smoother. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be cumbersome to maneuver if you don't have a powerful tractor. But honestly, if you're already equipped with a lawn tractor, it's not a deal-breaker. Just make sure your mower is up to the task. This is perfect for you if you have a large lawn and want to aerate efficiently. Skip this one if you're using a smaller mower or don't have a yard that requires such extensive care. It's a solid investment for the results it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for small to medium-sized spaces. Product number 3, AgriFab 40 Tow Behind Aerator. Following closely is the AgriFab 45518, a 40-inch version priced at $212.81. This model has also earned a 4.2-star rating from 1,400 reviews, making it a reliable option for many homeowners. If you want a balance of price and performance, you should consider this one. This matters for you because it helps soil nutrients penetrate better, ensuring your grass grows healthier. The 10-inch pneumatic tires make it easy to transport across your lawn, while the single-lever transport handle simplifies the process of raising and lowering the aerator. On the downside, some users mention that it lacks a few advanced features found in pricier models. But honestly, if you're after reliable performance without the bells and whistles, this could be a perfect fit for you. This is perfect if you want a functional aerator without spending too much. Skip this one if you need advanced features or have a very large lawn. For its price, it provides remarkable value. Now, if you're looking for something more manual, this next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, Dolibest Lawn Coring Aerator. Next is the Dolibest Lawn Coring Aerator priced at $45.99. With a 4.3-star rating and over 320 reviews, it's a great pick for those who prefer manual tools. If you want something simple and effective, this could be it. Made from stainless steel, this aerator is built to last and won't rust or bend. The 4 corers create deep plugs, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach your grass roots effectively. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy lawn. However, some users found it a bit heavy for extended use. But I'll be real with you. If you're only using it for smaller areas or occasional maintenance, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard or specific patch needing attention. Skip this one if you're looking for a tool that can handle larger spaces. For the price, it's a solid buy for manual aeration. Now, if you want something even more user-friendly, let's talk about our last pick. Product number 5, Guardian Plug Aeration Tool. Finally, we have the Guardian Plug Aeration Tool priced at just $21.99. With a 4.1-star rating from 801 reviews, it's an affordable option for those looking to aerate smaller lawns. If you need a budget-friendly yet effective tool, this one's definitely worth a look. This tool uses hollow tines to remove plugs of soil, which helps air and nutrients reach the root system more efficiently. Its quality steel construction ensures durability, so you won't have to replace it anytime soon. Plus, it's simple to use, making it ideal for those who may not be experienced with lawn care. Some users pointed out that it may not be suitable for very compacted or large areas. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to maintain a small space or target specific spots, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn or specific problem areas. Skip this one if you have a larger yard or need something for heavy-duty work. At this price, it offers excellent value. So to wrap it up, we explored 5 different plug aerators for your lawn. You have the manual ease of the Whalency, the efficient AgriFab Tobehines, the sturdy Dolibist, and the budget-friendly Guardian. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that matches your lawn care needs best.